Good evening, Ma'am and Sir. Welcome to Angel's Restaurant.
Hi, good evening.
Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes, we have. It's Mrs. Nava.
Okay, ma'am. I'll check. Okay, ma'am. This way, please. Ma'am. Good evening again, ma'am. Welcome to Angel's Restaurant. I am Bea Lagafalamen, and I will be your server for today. May I offer our menu, ma'am?
Good evening. Yes, please.
Please take your time. If you have any suggestion or special request, feel free to ask.
I'm vegetarian. I hope they're a good option.
Of course, sir, we have delicious vegetable stir fry and creamy mushroom pasta that are vegetarian friendly.
Also, our kids, Ethan and Carl, are allergic to seafood.
Thank you for informing me, ma'am. We recommend grilled chicken tenders or spaghetti. Both are seafood free.
What do you suggest for someone who wants something light?
Oh, of course, sir, we have garden salad and fresh fruit bowl are perfect light options, sir.
I think I'll have garden salad, please.
Excellent choice, ma'am. May I take your order, please?
I have the vegetable stir fry and a glass of herbal tea, please.
I'll take the grilled salmon and lemonade.
Same for me, that with an iced tea.
I'll have a fresh fruit bowl and water, please.
And I'll stick with the garden salad and fresh orange juice. Chicken tender for me. I want spaghetti.
Thank you very much. Let me repeat your orders. Mr. Arcus, vegetable stir fry and herbal tea. Mr. Nava, grilled salmon and lemonade. Mrs. Nava, grilled salmon and iced tea. Mr. Sim, fresh fruit bowl and water. Mrs. Sim, garden salad and orange juice. Ethan, chicken tenders, then Carl, spaghetti. Is everything correct?
Yes,
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. I'll get your orders prepared right away. Enjoy, everyone.